Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities will be provided for demonstration and educational purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in the markets involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Carefully consider your financial position prior to trading and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, upcoming, we have only one thing for certain, and that is uncertainty in the markets. Today we saw an enormous drop in the price of PayPal because of legislative reasons. We saw a huge drop in Shopify and a big drop in Spotify due to a decrease in the rate of growth of their subscriber base. So the one thing that I thought that we could do is leverage this uncertainty, trading the VIX, and which is a proxy for volatility, and we can't trade the VIX directly. We can trade, but the best way to trade it is with a VIX directed ETF. And the one that has the most volume along is the VXX, which is the iPath Series B S&P 500 VIX short-term futures ETN. And the next highest volume is actually the short VIX, but we want to go with the VIX long. Now, right now the VIX is trading right around. For some reason here on Thinkorswim, it's giving me a $19.42 value. I'm getting on Thinkorswim on a different platform a $20.20 value. Probably the platform you're looking at is probably the most accurate, since the other one is my phone app. Now the iPath Series B S&P VIX short-term futures is an instrument that we want to take long. I mean, we're moving further and further into earnings season. We're seeing stocks making huge movement in price. We can get a major rollover to the downside, and I think leveraging the VIX VXX to the upside could be a very, very could be a potentially very, very lucrative move. Now, you can play it with options, or you can buy the VXX. That's totally up to you. I would probably take a 4 to 6 week position as I see volatility continuing through February into March. And there's a lot coming up, a lot on the plate, including Russia's potential invasion of the Ukraine after the Olympics, China's invasion of Taiwan, a lot of geopolitical instability, a lot of economic instability, stocks making radical changes and reversals in price. So I really think there's a very, very lucrative way to harness all of that in one group. So I strongly recommend the VXX to the upside. Again, either buying it outright or taking a call position on it. Either way, I think you're going to wind up doing exceedingly well over the course of the next 6 weeks. Have a great evening, everyone, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.